start with a slip knot and chain 41. One single crochet in the second chain from the hook, this one, and one single crochet in each and every stitch. Once you reach the end, chain 1 and turn your work. One single crochet in the first stitch, one half double crochet in the next stitch, one slip stitch in the next stitch. Now repeat this, one half double crochet in the next stitch, one slip stitch in the next stitch, one half double crochet, one slip stitch. This is how to look. In the last stitch, make a single crochet, chain 1 and turn your work. The next one single crochet in each and every stitch. Be careful not to insert your hook like this. This is the slip stitch and this is the stitch. Once you reach the end, chain 1 and turn your work. The next one single crochet in the first stitch, one half double crochet in the next stitch, one slip stitch in the next stitch. Now repeat this, one half double crochet, one slip stitch, this is how it will look. Now keep repeating this 2 rounds until you reach the size which you need. This is how it will look. Next round, start with chain 1, 3 single crochets in this corner stitch, and 1 single crochet in each and every stitch. Three single crochets in this next corner, and now repeat this all around. 1 single crochet in each and every stitch until the next corner, 3 single crochets in this next corner, once you reach the end, slip stitch on top of this first single crochet. This is how it will look. The last one, chain 2, 1 puff stitch in the same stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop, again yarn over and pull up a loop. Do this one more time, that's total 3 times. You should have 7 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through all the loops and chain 1. That's 1 puff stitch made. And now the next stitches will be working on the right side. Skip the next stitch, this one, and in the next stitch make 1 puff stitch, yarn over, skip the next stitch, and in the next stitch pull up a loop. Do this 2 more times. Yarn or pull through all the loops and chain 1. Now repeat this all around. Skip the next stitch and the next stitch make a puff stitch. Now repeat this. Now repeat this all around, and once you reach them, slip stitch and weave off your yarn. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.